It's a big root system. Yeah, that was a challenge. I will say, not in our lifetime, but that trail will be almost impossible to hike.
Maybe in our lifetime.
I think so?
Yeah.
The brush is just getting overwhelming. They're like 6 feet plus tall, hard to see the trail. And if we have any more gnarly windstorms like we did this year, this early or last late year, it could be really, really difficult. But
we have a new
oh, great.
adventure to deal with launching.
New log. Oh yeah. Alright, so we have to figure out a new launching site. Scouted around the area and found one. It's in a little bit more precarious spot. We have to cross a log jam. But other than that, looks like a solid spot to launch. There's just too many logs that have fallen or drifted over to get around with the fear of it popping our tubes. Did it. Huh. Even easier. Made it. New launch zone right here. Alright.
How does it feel to be on the water again?
Apparently I missed it.
What'd you miss?
Being out in the lake.
Yeah.
Being out in the woods.
I always miss it too. There we go.
Nice.
Just had to get a little deeper.
Nice.
Chunky fish. That's a good one.
That first trout, I think.
Yeah.
Technically.
Yep.
Yeah.
Little cutie.
Sure.
Little shark. Angry little shark. Greenback. I had all my line out. Oh yeah, it's a nice, and it's a long fish too. Oof, that's a really pretty fish. Oh, dude.
Here we go.
Wow.